Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Be fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good as well. Thanks for asking. Hmm. Okay, guys, so let us finish your first seminar. So, how many students haven't given seminar? Please raise your hands or tell your names. So, senior batch. Yeah. Who is this?
Naresh,
Naresh. Yeah, your number, Naresh?
1317.
EN21B, no? B? C.
Yes, yes. 21B 1317.
Hmm. Yeah, what's the topic, Naresh?
Goods and service tax.
Sorry?
GST.
Okay. Come on, start.
Okay. One.
Start, Naresh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. So today my presentation topic is goods and service tax. So there are mainly two types of taxes. That is one is indirect tax and direct tax. So indirect tax means nothing but GST, and the direct tax means whatever employees or anyone paying that commercial tax, income tax, that is under direct tax. In the indirect tax, their burden will be opposite on the opposite persons. In the direct tax, burden will be on the same person. So direct tax, government implemented GST in 2017 July 1st. It is inaugurated by the launched by the Narendra Modi, and there are so many taxes in our country: excise duty, custom duty, VAT, entry duty, service taxes, like that. So many taxes are there in our country. So to avoid these taxes, to simplify all taxes, government implemented this GST in our country. So there are so many types of in the GST, types of GSTs are there. One is SGST, that is under control of the state government, and CGST, that is under control of central government. IGST means, I will explain. And UTHST, it is a United Union Territory GST. So whenever we purchase a bill, whenever goods, first we will observe in our bill SGST and CGST. That is nothing but equal. If we naturally we will bring some goods from the supermarket, then you can observe 9% of tax for SGST, and CGST 9%, total 18% we can observe. So that is nothing but manufacturer and customer in the same state means we can observe SGST and CGST. And if the manufacturer, if you order online, so Amazon or Flipkart, then the manufacturer is another place from another state, and the consumer is another state, then we can observe in that bill IGST. So different, but the share will be equal. So names are changed, but the equal share they will take. And also there will be in the GST, so different slabs are there: 0% slab and 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Five slabs are there. So in that fresh meat, milk, curd, whatever the necessity things daily we use, vegetables, those newspaper will come under. There is no tax on it. So 5% of the tax, fertilizers, cotton, tea powder, and coffee powder, there it will be under come 5% tax. And the bill above 1,000 rupees, frozen meat, food use, dry foods, Ayurvedic medicines will come 12% GST. And biscuits, software, tools, monitors, speakers, mineral waters. So whatever we purchase, those things will come 18% of GST. And costly luxury items, chewing, pan masala, paint, deodorants, water heaters, creams, washing machines, all the dishwashers, it will be charged 18% GST. So what are the advantage of GST and disadvantages of GST? So it is a major replaces all taxes, and also cascading effect. So cascading effect means tax and tax. So before there will be burden on the more burden on the customer. Now there is less. It will be by after GST. So little bit burden on the customer. So to avoid this one, cascading effect, government introduced GST, and so black money also reduce the flow of black money. Also, government introduced GST system, and ease of doing business. Ease of small. There are so.
Your voice is breaking, Naresh. You're not audible.
Is it, ma'am?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. There is entertainments and income tax. So many taxes are to avoid all those things. GST implemented in our country. And what are the disadvantages of the GST? So, impact of real estate market means the real estate things and building constructions is now it is nearly 6% tax on those things. So it is increased, and also leather courier charges and life insurance policies also, they are very costly by after this GST. And also uh, some experts will say old wine in a new bottle. So this one. So these are the disadvantages of the GST. And also alcohol is not under the GST, is not under GST. And also petroleum products also not under GST. Last month, nearly last month, government, central government conducted a meeting with this group of chief ministers to take their decision, but all didn't accept for this one because major income come from this one only, petroleum products only. So they don't want to undertake this one under the GST. Last month, in September month, nearly 1,17,000 crore rupees GST amount collected. So this will be shared to the among state government and between state government and central government. So like this, GST will be shared by the government. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Okay,
for giving this
good.
opportunity.
Very good, Naresh. What are you, Naresh?
Yeah, I'm a teacher, ma'am.
Okay. What subject do you teach?
Yeah, primary.
What subject do you teach?
All subjects, ma'am. Primary school.
Okay,
Actually,
primary.
yes, actually mathematics.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next, D. Pradeep, Vineet Sagar.
Ma'am,
Swarupa, ma'am.
Are you ready?
ma'am,
Swarupa.
ma'am, Vineet, ma'am.
Yeah, Vineet, your number.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am,
See, your registration number starts with EN21B
0851.
0851.
51, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, start, Vineet.
Ma'am, today my seminar is about my favorite cricket player, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Yuvraj Singh, ma'am. He's a familiar cricketer, Indian cricketer, and he's born in Chandigarh, ma'am, Punjab, in 1981, December 12. And his father is Yoga Singh, and he's also a former Indian cricketer, ma'am. And this Yuvraj Singh started his international career at the age of 13, ma'am. And he played under 19 for just Chandigarh. And he made an international debut in under 19 under the captaincy of Mohammad Kaif, ma'am. And in this the tournament, India won the trophy, ma'am, World Cup under 19 trophy, and under the captaincy of Mohammad Kaif. And also Yuvraj Singh received the man of the tournament in the time in the year of 2000, ma'am, actually. And also he selected for Indian main squad in the year of 2000. and he played the he debuted against the Kenya team in the year of 2000, and also he selected he selected for the national team throughout the 2-3-5 years. And the year of 2007 he played and he selected for the T20 World Cup under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and he also a vice captain of Team India at that time. And he played a master classic knock at the against of England. He strikes a 6-ball 6-6 in a over with in the tournament, and he made everyone proud at that time. And also he played in the year of 2011. He played a World Cup under the Mahendra Singh by under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And at that time also India won the World Cup. And at that time also he received the Man of the Tournament award. At the 2007 in 2007 also India played World Cup and India won the World Cup. At that time also he won the man of the tournament. And in Indian every World Cup trophies he played a crucial knocks, and that knocks help from India lifting the World Cup. And this man made all our Indians make proud. And after the 2011 World Cup, and he suffered a cancer disease, lungs cancer, and he went to a foreign country, and he take a treatment on therapist lungs cancer. After that, safely he recovered from that disease, and he returned international cricket in 2012 against New Zealand. And in the 2015 in the IPL auction, he had got a 14 crores and to Delhi Daredevils. It is the most expensive player in the all other formats and all other tournaments. And in the 2016 also, Daredevils bought the 60 crores for him, and he played a most expensive player in the world. And in the 2019, in 2019 June 5, he announced a retirement of international cricket, and this is about him.
Okay. Okay. Good, Vineet. Good. So, how did you prepare this?
Ma'am,
How did you prepare?
ma'am, I know this. He is my favorite cricketer, ma'am. So I know him already. And
Okay.
some of the points I searched in Google.
Okay. Okay. And so, what are you, Vineet?
Ma'am,
What are you?
ma'am, I'm a student, ma'am. Actually, I'm studying.
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
completed my BTech in this year, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Yeah. Next student. Come on, fast.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening. Who is this? See here.
Pradeep.
Yeah. What I'm thinking, I'm going to conduct again surprise test for you now after this seminar. Okay. So be ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. EN21 B
Hmm.
07777.
0777.
Um,
Read active voice, passive voice.
okay, ma'am.
No, not you. Wait.
Hello.
Yeah, Pradeep. Come on, start.
Good evening, one and all.
Hmm.
Today my topic is social media.
Okay.
Social media. According to research studies, there are 4 categories. First one is professional, second sharer, third creators, and fourth is bonders. Now coming to professionals, they are looking for an experiment their networks. Professionals professional or users social media to demonstrate their intelligence and by sharing their thoughts and their what their creative thoughts, and they share in using some networks. They will share some their posts and articles and so on. And creators, they are innovative. Sometimes they are and definitely sent a tremendous with the internet and their blank canvas. They enjoy talking pictures, writing blogs, and they utilizes any platform they allow them to express their thoughts. Ultimately, they create followers. Now coming to sharers, they always share posts and communicate on social posts, and they are who they are help to help others to through social media to enjoy them. And bonders are like butterflies, social butterflies of the world. They groups in a highly active on social media. They they checks their feedback several times a day. Bonders put a great deal to of importance uh, and etc. Uh, in social media, we can use some network sites or mobile network apps like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, Zoom. Also, one of them social media. We are talking now coming to advantages. In this pandemic situation, we are using this Zoom classes and Google Meet to avoid so, to maintain social distance and avoid from that COVID. COVID. And also disadvantages at the time of classes, students are not listen their classes. Some of them will listen, some of them not listen. Some of them switch on their mobile phones and they will enjoy themselves, or they will play games, or they will say set like a network issue, ma'am, but they will play or they will do whatever they
Like
want.
you, like you. Huh?
Like me only.
Please.
and
Uh,
and we can earn money also from some social network like YouTube. We can post any video. Some of them by the views and shares, they will charge, they will give money to the users. And also we having so many advantages. We can we are using now Zoom. It's an example for that.
mm,
We can avoid social distance. We can maintain social distance. Mm. By social media, we can what we want share, we can share. We can we can can talk with members and we can make them friends. Like we can use Facebook. Nowadays, Facebook is largest platform to communicate with each other, and LinkedIn is used for some uh, study and some job and etc. Instagram is used for pictures and posts, save and see them in our wish. We can post anything. Anyone can see our picture. If we having we can put in private also, privacy also. We can allow some of them only. By social media, we can share any videos and any pictures and any thoughts and etc. Uh, so that's it, ma'am. I'm not prepared well.
good, good, no, good. So, what are you, Pradeep?
I'm student, ma'am.
Okay. What are you studying?
I'm at now going to third year after completion of this exam.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Prabhu. Okay. Next student. Yeah. So Priya, please
Ma'am.
take care of
Swarupa,
your
ma'am.
health. Take rest. No problem. And
Swarupa, ma'am.
Swarupa.
Ashwini.
Yes. Swarupa, your number, please.
EN21B
Hmm.
1437, ma'am.
1437. Yes, Swarupa. What's your topic?
Friends, ma'am.
Friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on. Start.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, one and all. One and all. My topic name is friends.
Hmm.
Friends are the gifts of God. A friend is always ready for sacrifice for the sake of the happiness of his friends. True friendship stands on the terms of mutual help and understanding. Friends may be good and bad both, but it depends on our instance which we choose. A bad friend will pull you in his darkness, whereas a good friend always helps you to come out of the darkness. Many times you don't have your family to support you, but your friends will always fill the void. You cannot choose your family, but you can choose your friends. You can friends. Next. People with happy friendship live longer and healthier. If a person with healthy friendship is a more useful and happy person, friendship for the backbone is of one's social fabric and life. Friends are an integral part of everybody's life. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Very good, Swarupa. Next student.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? Ashwini.
Yeah, Ashwini, your number.
EN21B1
Hmm.
619.
Yeah, come on, start, Ashwini.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Hmm.
Today, my seminar topic is stress management. Stress can be defined as any type of change that causes physical, emotional, psychological strain. Stress is body's response to anything that requires attention or action. Everyone experiences the stress to some degree. The way you respond to stress, however, makes a big difference to your overall well-being. Sometimes the best way to manage manage stress involves changing your situation. At other times, the best strategy involves changing the way you respond to the situation. How to identify stress. Stress is not always easy to recognize, but there are uh, some ways to identify. Some signs that might be experiencing too much pressure. First one is pressure. Sometimes stress can come from an obvious source. That sometimes even small daily stress from work, school, family, friends can take a role on your mind and body. Mm, if you think stress might be affecting you, there are a few things you can watch for: physical signs, emotional signs, physical behavior signs. First one is physical signs, such as such as worrying too much, anxiety, over remembering things, like that. Next, physical signs. such as high BP, weight changes, frequent infections like that. Next, behavioral signs such as poor self-care, not having time for self-care, and not having time for enjoying, and relying on drugs and alcohol to cope. All types of stress. There are 3 types of stress. Acute spikes, chronic stress. Ma'am, can I see your paper, ma'am, once?
Yeah, sure.
Acute spikes, acute stress. Acute stress is a very short-term type of stress that can either be positive or more distressing. This is type of stress we most often encounter in day-to-day life. Next, chronic stress. Chronic stress is stress that seems never ending and inescapable, like that stress of a bad marriage or any bad incident. Next, treatment of stress. Stress is a not a distinct medical diagnosis, and there is no single specific treatment for it. Try to get regular exercise, take care of yourself, and identify the problem where we got that stress. Learn how to take care of your mind, body, spirit, and discover to how to equip yourself for best life. Identify the sources of stress in your life. To how to manage the stress, there are 3 ways: avoid, after, adopt, and accept. How to we should learn to manage the stress. Learn how to say no. Know your limits and stick to them, whether in personal or professional life. Avoid people who stress you out. Take control of your environment. Pay down your to-do list. Be willing to compromise. And ma'am, that's it, ma'am. Actually, I didn't prepare well, ma'am.
Excellent.
Actually, I have
your-
PG. I have PG classes, ma'am. That's why I'm not attending classes regularly, ma'am.
Oh,
In the
you attend the
5 to
classes or not?
yes, I'm attending, ma'am. But last class I didn't attend, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
That PG class is also 5 to 8 timing, ma'am. Actually,
Oh,
I'm not getting time to prepare well, ma'am.
okay, no problem. But you are so sincere, Ashwini. I like your sincerity. Good.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, I'm getting what, ma'am, tense.
No, don't be.
First seminar, no, ma'am.
But already you attended in junior level and in basic level.
Yes, ma'am. But
you have
now
overcome.
also I'm getting tense, ma'am.
Okay, good. Very good, Ashwini. Yeah, next. Uday, are you ready? Uday, am I audible to you? Uday, I'm sorry. I find it inaudible. Means you are not audible to us. I can't get you.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready, Uday? I'm sorry, Uday. Could you please make yourself audible? Raise your voice, please.
Now, is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah. Now you're audible. Please tell your number, Uday. EN21B.
1500, ma'am. 1500.
Yeah, 1500.
I just choose a general topic.
Yeah,
Farmers protest and recent
1500. Okay.
drinking. Yeah, ma'am.
What's your topic, Uday? Uday, would you mind raising your voice? Please make yourself audible. You're not audible to us. I think he has a network issue.
Hello.
Yeah, Uday.
Okay. Can I continue? Yeah. Recently,
What's your topic?
8 farmers were I think there is an issue. Sorry, ma'am. Let me log in with another device. I think it's better.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just give me a minute. I will log in with
Yeah,
another
sure.
device.
No problem. Take your own time. Next student. Any other student who hasn't given his seminar yet? Surajkar Prerna. Who is this? Prerna. Hello, Prerna. Chamanti. Chamanti, Prerna. Please give response. Good evening. No, I didn't call you. Did you give your seminar, Premanand Reddy? Okay. Okay, yeah. I saw your name. Okay. Yes. Chamanti and Pratik. And what is his name? Prerna. Where is she? Where has she gone? See, guys, don't waste your time. Yeah, Pratik, are you ready? Otherwise, you will get 0 marks now. Chamanti, Pratik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Ma'am, EN21 B0847.
Yeah, come on. What's your topic?
Ma'am, disaster.
Come on. Start.
A disaster is a serious problem occurring over a short or long period of time that causes widespread human, material, economic, or environmental loss, which exceeds the ability of affected community or society to cope using its own resource. Developing countries suffers the greatest cost when a disaster hits. More than 95% of all deaths caused by hazards occur in developing countries, and losses due to natural hazards are 20 times greater. As a percentage of GDP in developing countries than in industrialized countries. No matter what society disaster occurs in, they tend to induce change in government and social life. They may even alter the course of history by boldly affecting entire population and exposing management or corruption, regardless of how tightly informing is controlled in a society. Information is controlling in a society. And the word disaster is derived from Middle French disastre, and that from Old Italian disastro, which in turn comes from ancient Greek pejorative prefix. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good, Patu. Next. Uday, are you ready now? Chamanti. Who is this SR? SR. See guys, if you don't want to give your seminar, then you will be the losers. You will lose your marks. Today is the last class. I won't conduct the seminar again. Still you people are not responding.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Uday.
Can I continue, ma'am?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
please
logged in the
start.
second device. Is it okay with two devices logged in?
Yeah, no problem. Come on.
Thank you. Sorry for the disturbance just before I had. Actually, today my shall I share my number? 1500, ma'am.
Yeah, 1500. Yeah, I have it down.
Okay. Today my topic is farmers' protest and its consequences recently we are witnessing. So though it is a political inclined topic, I just want to share my views on this topic. I don't know whether it is okay with you or not. But most of the people may not agree with my political views, but still, as in general topic, I'm sharing this. Recently, 8 farmers were dead in Lakhimpur, and the farmers, what is this? Union Minister son, Mr. Misra, has crushed all of them by his vehicle. So there was a huge outcry on this topic, and as a citizen, I just wanted to, react on that topic. So I just thought it's a general topic, so I will share that general views only. Ever since that the farmers' protest has started, ever since this government has, issued announced new reforms to existing farm laws. Actually, it is allegedly favoring that business fraternity rather than favoring the small scale farmers. In our India, farmers are not that having huge lands, or they are capable of selling their produce to anywhere. Normally, these small scale farmers have to sell everything through the middleman, through the businessman. So who are helplessly selling up their produce through this middleman. And now to create the reforms, government has announced certain laws in 2020 during this pandemic time without consulting the farmers' trade unions. Maybe I'm not the one who is capable of analyzing the effect or impact on the society or for the farmers about the law. But as a citizen, I feel that the government should consult the people, the farmers particularly, to just form the law and implementing that, because these farm laws are made for them, and as a consumer we are also a part of the law, and we should also be aware of that laws. So that was not happening, and nobody has consulted, and it seems that they were rushing to implement these laws. Maybe the motive behind that to favor, maybe I'm not sure, but maybe behind these laws, they want to favor the business fraternity. So recently, when they are protesting all these years, you can see that the new era of India, Indian government basically, how they are curbing, how they are managing the protest is really awful, we can say. In the biggest democracy of the world, we are seeing that the protesters doesn't have any right. The police are curbing ruthlessly, and the farmers have been treated like animals. We have seen several video footages where they have ruthlessly beaten up, they have been killed, they have been crushed. It's a kind of mob lynching or by anything. They have been basically they were using derogatory words about them, and they are declaring them as a anti-nationals. A lot of things are happening in the media, not only in the social media, but even in the responsible media, which is called as the fourth pillar of democracy. But nobody is taking the responsibility of their own presentations, but still they are, just giving the propagandas and all those things. So, but I feel personally that we are connected to this issue, because as a citizen, as a consumer, where they come from, all these farmers are coming from our home, or from our neighborhood, or from our village. We are connected some way. So this connectivity, we are not reacting, though we are having this much connectivity, we are not reacting. Common citizen of India is not bothering about the fate of their farmers at this moment. Everybody is looking after themselves, but nobody even daring to comment on this kind of issues. I don't know, maybe the liberty of expressing views is now not appreciated in the society, as I feel. But the society should react to such complicated issues. Otherwise, the dire consequences of this not reacting to such issues maybe impact the next generations. So one should be responsible to react, at least to ask the government, whoever it may be in the power. We should ask them why it is happening, why this kind of actions are taken against them. Recently, even in the judiciary system, I see them as irresponsible at this moment. You might be knowing that Kunal Kamra, one of the comedian who has commented on CJI, I think Mr. Bobde or someone, who rode a Harley Davidson, and he just commented through his comedian acts. And during that one, Supreme Court has issued a contempt of court or something like that, a notice. And even in the Munawar Khan and Vyas, Mr. Vyas from Indore, they were also, on certain cases, on a comedy issue also, they have been arrested. So all these things are, Supreme Court is taking up unnecessary things. They are overburdened with unnecessary things, whereas the necessary things which they have to react immediately, they are not reacting. You see that all these 8 farmers who has been crushed were, not even, the case was not filed properly, it was not treated properly. Even the Supreme Court reaction is very slow. And I don't think they are going to take any action against this, since the union minister itself, himself, is still involved in the case. So I don't expect the judiciary system will immediately react to this, and justice will be delivered. But at least as a citizen, one should react to the system. And I feel we, as a part of society, as a part of, we are the consumers, we are the producers, whoever it may be, we are a part of farmers. So we should always react to such situations. This is my opinion. I am not inclined to any political party. That's why I am not naming any party.
Okay,
Thank
good there.
Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
What are you then?
I'm an engineer, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yeah, next. Sadhana. Sadhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready, Sadhana? Have you given your seminar?
No, ma'am.
Then
I'm
don't you
not
want your
well,
marks?
ma'am. Can I give in next class, ma'am?
See guys, today is your third class, right? And I'm going to tell you about second seminar. Okay, no problem. If you are not well, then okay, no problem. I'll conduct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But that
Thank
would
you,
be
ma'am.
your last class, means I won't take afterwards.
Sure, ma'am. I'll give in next class.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So now I'm going to tell you about your second seminar. So the second seminar for spoken English means senior level students will be conducted in the respective classrooms. And see, your MW for TTS, MW, right? MW?
Yes, ma'am. MW.
MW,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So your second seminar will be on 29th October.
Okay. Friday.
Please take down, yeah. Friday, yes, Friday. So you will have your second seminar on 29th October, that is Friday. So please write the topics. And this, again, the second seminar will carry 10 marks towards the final assessment. And here each student will have to speak for maximum of 5 minutes. Okay? Please take down the topics. First is my learning experience at VIOL. My learning experience at VIOL means Vivekananda Institute of Languages. It is your institute's name of the institute.
Experience at VIOL.
VIOL. Okay, this is your first topic, and now coming to second topic, how to learn English. Your second topic is how to learn English. Now your third topic is how to be successful at senior level. How to be successful at senior level.
Successful
at senior level. At senior level. Next, fourth is how to succeed in life. How to succeed in life. Succeed, SUCCEED. How to succeed in life. Means in life, how to become successful. How to succeed in life. Okay, next is qualities of a successful person. Next topic is qualities of a successful person.
One second, repeat.
Sixth one.
Fifth
Yeah.
one.
See, first one is
Qualities.
One second. My learning experience at VIOL. Second is how to learn English. Third is how to be successful at senior level. Fourth is how to succeed in life. Fifth is qualities of a successful person. So guys, what you have to do, you have to select any one among all these topics of your choice,
Okay.
Okay, you have to select only one of your choice. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when is your second seminar?
29th October, Friday.
29th of this month, right, 2021.
Okay.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to conduct a surprise test for you. Which is on active versus passive voice. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take down all the questions first. First, you take down all the questions. All of you, please mute yourselves, then start writing.
Seventh one, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Have you returned 12 sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, write. First, you write all the questions. Don't start writing the answers now. First, you write all the questions.
Ma'am, please, fifth one I didn't.
Only fifth
Right,
one?
ma'am. Only fifth one.
Yeah. They are painting their house.
Thank you.
Write all the questions fast.
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am.
Total 18.
12, ma'am.
No, I have.
13.
Please write all the questions fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you returned?
Sixteenth one, ma'am.
Come on, write fast.
Ma'am, 23 finished.
Total, I have written 30. 23 over, right?
Ma'am, 23, ma'am. Neha had.
Neha had given me a dictionary. Have you returned? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
4 to 1, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, sure. Now please write all the answers. Come on, fast.
Madam, 16th to 17th I didn't write, ma'am.
Which one?
16th and 17th. Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
right.
Thank you.
Shit.
Ma'am, 2021.
Twenty-three also, madam, please.
Have you all written all the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your homework should done by
Madam, 13th, 14th.
Ma'am, 29, 30 also.
Madam, 1 second. The students are picking. Okay, madam, done.
Which one?
29, 30.
Fifteenth, it should not stop the visitors.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Madhuri. Yeah, what about others? Shall we discuss?
No, ma'am. 5 minutes, ma'am. You have
Yeah,
to.
sure, no problem. Finished. What about others? Surya Prakash, Rama, Jay Sapna. Finished?
Yes, ma'am. 2 is there.
Okay. Vijay Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Attending a seminar.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, just now I came to home, ma'am. Due to that, I didn't give.
Okay. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others, guys? Others?
Finished, madam.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we discuss some answers? Sorry?
2 more minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Right. Okay, guys, now the time is up. Come on, stop writing. So she writes a letter. She writes a letter.
Letter is written by her.
A letter is written by her. You can see the answer.
Letter is written by her.
Yeah. Are you able to see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Letter is written by her. Okay. Next. He does
He
not
doesn't
paint the wall.
The wall is not painted by
Not painted by him.
Not is painted by him.
The wall is
The
not painted
wall
by
is not. The wall is not painted by him.
Did the mechanic fix your car?
Was your car
Was it
fixed?
fixed by the mechanic?
Fixed by the mechanic.
Was your car
Now see
fixed
the
by the
answer.
mechanic?
Fixed by the.
Or
You should do your homework.
your homework
Your homework should
What
be
should
done by you.
be done by you?
Should be done by you. Should be done by you.
They are
They are
painting.
painting.
Their houses are being painted
House
by
is
them.
being painted by them.
Being painted by him.
painted by them.
Their houses.
They're not houses. Their house.
Okay, house means their house is
Painted.
being painted by.
Being painted by
Being painted by them.
Painted by them.
Yeah, yeah.
Tea is drunk by us.
is drunk by us.
Tea have been
drunk
Has
by
been
us.
by us.
Singular. Tea is singular. So tea has been.
Has been.
Has been.
Yeah. Tea has been drunk by us.
By her.
Has been.
Will you watch tonight? Will you watch TV tonight?
Will
TV
will be watched
Be watched by you.
Will TV be watched tonight by you?
Okay. Will you watched?
Will TV be watched tonight?
Will TV be watched tonight by you?
Okay.
By whom are you taught the
By whom were you taught active as passive as sentence?
By whom were you taught?
By whom the active and passive voice sentences are?
No.
by whom
By whom were you taught active as and passive as sentence?
Yes. She had cleaned the kitchen.
The kitchen had been cleaned by her.
Cleaned by her. The kitchen had been cleaned by her.
Cleaned by her. By
Yes,
her. He bought a book for his son.
A
book was bought by him for his
son. A book was
Here, two answers.
Yes, ma'am. Two objects are there.
Now you can
His
see.
son was bought a book by him.
him.
Son by him.
His son was
A book
bought.
was bought for his son.
Son was
Book by him.
Have you written?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. 11 to 1. Who can answer my
My question would be answered.
by whom?
By whom
By
can
whom
my question be answered?
Answered.
Can
By whom my question can be answered? Is
No.
it correct?
By whom? See, we have to use here verb. By whom after verb. See, after WH word, what is the what we have to use? Verb there.
Model.
Yes.
Yeah, modal verb. Okay.
Here,
ma'am.
modal verb, not model.
Yes.
Modal.
Yes, modal verb.
Who opened the door?
Either helping verb.
Let the door be open.
Let the door be opened.
let the door be
Let the door be opened.
Opened.
Next.
The policeman did not threaten the committee.
The commuters were not threatened by the police. Were not.
The commuters were not threatened by the policeman.
threatened by the policeman.
Guides are read by students.
Guides are being read by students.
Being read by the students.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 15th one.
The visitors shouldn't be stopped by the watchman.
The visitors should
Not have been stopped by the watchman.
have been stopped.
I got this wrong, ma'am.
Okay. Here have is there means immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Always.
I didn't say have, ma'am. Just I wrote shouldn't be stopped by watchman.
Okay, no problem.
The requirements will be specified by the candidate. The requirements will be specified by the candidates.
The requirements will be specified. Whom is liked by
Whom do you like? Who are liked by you?
Who is liked by you?
Who is liked by you?
What are being done by you?
Hey guys, if you don't know singular or plural, then you have to use only singular. Who is liked by you?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you
I
doing?
wrote are.
What are being done by you?
What is being done by you?
being done by
What is doing you are?
What is being done by you?
being done by you.
Is your sibling inspired by you?
Siblings.
Do you inspire?
Is you
Are you? Are you? Are your siblings inspired by you?
Madam, here you
We can write I also, ma'am.
Yeah, you can. It
siblings
depends on your question.
inspired.
Okay.
What's the
WhatsApp has
by
been
most of us?
used by most of us.
WhatsApp is used
By most of us.
Next.
My son must be helped by me. The book has been
The
written
books has been written by Gopal.
Gopi.
Gopi.
The books
The
have
books
been
have been written by Gopi.
wherever you find have you
Been written by Gopi.
A dictionary had been given by given me by Neha.
actually here two
Madam,
answers are there. One
Yes. A dictionary had been given.
A dictionary had been
The
given
dictionary had been given by Neha.
to me.
Now you
A
can see both the answers.
A dictionary had been
Had been given a dictionary by Neha.
We had been given.
by Neha. I had been given a
dictionary
by Neha.
A dictionary by Neha.
Had been given a dictionary by Neha.
I had offered him a major role. A major role had been offered to him
I
by
had
me.
offered him. A major role had been offered by
to him by me. A major role had been offered to him by me.
he had been offered a major role by
Offered a major role by me.
Okay. Next.
1 second.
A letter was written
A
by
letter was written by Praveen. A letter was written by
A
Praveen.
letter was written by Praveen.
by
This
sung
song.
this song.
This song
This
was
song was sung by him. By whom?
By whom was this song sung?
God, this song was
I have been influenced by you.
as
Devi, please mute yourself.
Meditation was done by me.
meditation was done by me. These pages are not folded
The
by
pages were not folded by
what happened?
Okay, you only tell him the answer oral.
The
pages were not
Not folded by her.
Yes. The pages were not folded by her. Yes.
I am tagged
Not by him.
He teaches me. I am taught by him.
taught by him.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, once 27th answer, ma'am.
27. Has anyone been influenced by you?
Being influenced.
Now you tell just orally, okay? Don't write anything in your book. Match the passive verb phrase with the correct sentence. The cat dash by the dog. Come on. Fast. The cat dash.
Was chased. Was chased. Was chased.
Okay, good. The pictures dash
Were painted.
Were painted.
Were painted.
Were painted.
are dash
Were
by someone.
stolen.
Was stolen. Was
Stolen. Was stolen.
Pizza
stolen.
dash by Ram.
Eaten. Was
Was
eaten
Was
by.
eaten.
Was
Eaten.
The whistle dash by Kamal.
Blown. Was
Was
blown
blown.
by.
Loan.
Essays dash by me.
Were written.
Were
Were
written.
written.
Yes.
Written. It
The
is was written.
dance
Was
dash by
performed.
Was performed.
Was
Was
performed.
performed.
Now clear? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So how many marks have you got, guys? Because you have to evaluate yourself. I can't come and check your books.
1, 2,
Huh?
4 mistakes, madam.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I got full marks, ma'am.
Full marks, Madhuri. Very good. Congrats.
25, ma'am.
Okay. Not 25, 30, I think so.
25.
35 is correct, ma'am. 5 is
Okay,
wrong.
okay, okay.
Ma'am, I got 26, ma'am. 4 get wrong.
Ma'am, I got 25, ma'am.
Okay,
Me
good.
also 25, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Me 24, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys, now see your time is your 7:07. We will meet at 7:15. Okay. After only 8 minutes. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we have to play role playing game that is very, very interesting family drama. So we'll, because we don't have much time, so we'll take only 8 minutes. We'll meet at 7:15.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Gauri ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Who is
26 to 1 second, repeat ma'am.
26th? Who sang this song?
This song
By whom,
by
ma'am?
whom?
By
By
whom was this song sung?
second, ma'am. The book has been
The books have been written by Gopi.
Gauri ma'am, can you tell me 24th one? 2 answers are there, na?
Yes, ma'am. I had offered him a major role. First one, a major role had been offered to him by me. He had been. First one, a major role had been offered to him by me. To him by me.
Yes, to him by me.
To him by me. Second one, he had been offered a major role by me.
He had been.
He had been offered
Word.
a major role by me.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, 1 second. 16, 16 one.
16, ma'am.
Their requirements.
The requirements will be specified by the candidates.
Specified by the candidates. 14th one also anything, na?
B3, right? They require
Guides are been, students
Guides
are,
been.
14th one, ma'am.
Yes.
Guides are being read by students.
Guides are being
Read by students.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Neha had given me a dictionary, ma'am. Sir, I had been given a dictionary by Neha.
Two answers ఉన్నాయి sir then.
Next one, a dictionary had been given to me by Neha.
Gauri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
16th one is this correct?
Yes, tell me.
Their requirements will be specified by the candidates.
Correct, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, anybody online, please?
Hello, guys. I'm back.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Hello, guys. It's 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now it's time to play role play family drama. Okay. Are you listening to me?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So, guys, what you have to do here, you have to play, see here, either 2 girls or 2 boys. Either 2 girls or 2 boys. So, girls means you have to play, one has to play a husband's role.